Oh, you pop up in my place and you link me.
Because she said she has sieve out you, I know I call you. That she tell me that.
Listen, I'm not link in general, I'm going to pop up so.
Yeah, because this can look good.
Tell him good. Tell him good. Tell him silver.
Then you're coming on my town.
I not tell him where I
You
want.
tell me, say, yo, eh?
And show, man. Next time, I have to do the right thing, man.
Yeah, because I tell her start to the street and run.
Yeah.
Street of food.
Sure?
Yeah,
I need
sir.
POs up a code.
Yeah.
Done.
A real thing,
So
man.
you bring over my coat, huh?
No, you know, so I know country me I come from, though.
Oh. Dalvey. Yes, the Ackee.
I'm not saying not Dalvey, sir.
Hey,
So what on it?
one make the flatters and one make the marble.
So what on it? You a bad person who grew around. This is what you do?
This is what you really
This is
do.
what you really do?
It's hard now, but pressure go raise, but you know, so sad.
That's right, that's right. I'm going to tell V and Mrs. start Paul Moore and him and
boy.
Mrs.
General.
You bring some water, come fast.
Straight.
Alright, so Rasta is going up on the tree right now. I'll pick some happy. No, don't tell him my name. Don't tell him my name, Shanice. Alright, so Rasta don't pick happy, so you don't know. Oh, pick them out of pot set time.
Makes sense, yes?
Makes sense. That we go on. You know see what me do. You know see what me do.
That's why they can't keep his spot.
Skin them a shot when I
Hold on.
what's yours about?
Hold on. I just gather them, bro. Look at us gather them. Rasta check in and I go on.
I'm going to Rasta.
Check in for the Ackee sitting there and just speak, you know. You Dalvey have a mass of things that quick and fast and now, you know.
That
Yeah,
is
but
it.
what's up? I think you can find me. I think I do it.
You are do that quick and
It's
fast.
a Dalvey around the boat.
Yeah, Dalvey has sail a boat today.
Alright.
I sat there.
Nothing wrong with that.
No, you know. Yeah, Ackee has served.
Ah, where's Ackee, man?
Acha. You tell me how you see Ackee?
Yeah.
Man, tell me how you see Ackee.
So I saw your shell, Ackee. The inquisitive mind wants to know.
Oh boy. You see, I bought Ackee them.
I don't know what kind of Ackee it is. Sir, you know what kind of Ackee this is?
Butter.
Butter Ackee. So yeah, it's gonna be soft, yeah? So it's not the hard type Ackee. It's the butter Ackee. Yeah? So what you say I cook with this now, Dalvey?
Well, I'm not sure yet, you know, because...
And a saltfish?
Yes, saltfish, I cook with it. Ackee and saltfish, but I'm not sure what we are going to eat with it as a food.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
So all of that left right now for deal with?
Yeah, as they must say, they want fried dumpling, but me I tell them say, me can't fry dumpling.
Okay.
And they move like say, they can't fry, but they move like they know want fry.
So you say them all left all that pressure upon you?
Well, I wouldn't say that still, you know.
So you know say pressure post pipe?
Just say I want to go to alone in Johnson. You can't find no place to.
Right now, don't tell us the vibes of me now. Not today. You tell us the whole week you
Carry too much money.
You have to collect too much money.
Oh, okay.
See then? Collect too much. See
Yeah,
it?
man, that's what you see it, man. You carry too much money.
You want to see it? See that?
You need to give back some.
You want see that? Collect too much money.
You need to give back some of my money, man. That's the problem.
I could see night.
See there?
You seen there?
See
So
there?
what if money?
See that? See them now?
What if money
Yeah,
right
let's start
there?
with
No, I'm not in there empty.
That big part they want to say, yeah.
You don't want to see that big part.
That part they want to see. The
Right.
one where stashing money
over
in.
5,000.
Eh? The
Then
stashing money.
then there are $50 bill.
Be a $50.
Be a
5,000
$50.
night.
Lies the money that we are
Ja. I'll go and write us about. See there's a smile. I will go on. There's a smile, so.
One time, you know.
Now no way to sleep tonight.
One time I remember something that I have to laugh, you know.
So where you remember?
I can't remember, you know.
That's something nice.
Can't
That's something nice.
we can't talk about that, you know.
That's something nice.
What that?
Talk to me.
You know what's something nice, man? How much people we are cook for?
Yeah.
Martin?
That
Your favorite.
Martin?
Eh?
You see this now video?
You know how that?
Ting it.
Alright, worse. I ain't even say. Ackee them.
Hey, Ducky. Why? Where's your belly? How cookie game make here, Jimmy?
Master Rasta, where you get this from? We man play me with the bad top of the feet.
You know anybody still?
You believe me?
Oh yeah, you can't eat them things, you know? You like it, I don't like you.
Not me, I know anybody. Cook this game, man, you go on here, Ducky.
Hold on. What you said, Dalvin?
I say,
Yeah.
me cook this Ackee again. You know what, scab beat
So what if it's not nice today? This is a big
Tell
talk.
me what I'm going to
Brother, tell you
Brother, what?
Tell you one thing already, you know.
Me tell you about your camera thing, you know.
Me tell you say.
Cut the camera and Dalvin.
Feel that.
Cut the camera and Dalvin.
Cut this
What
camera.
reason you? When you feel? Come on, top of your
But when me feel, no, it have to on camera, but when me
When
feel.
you feel this, right? Yes, anyways, I get back to serious matters. Yes, when you cook ackee, everybody ball say it nice.
Don't talk to you.
Fiddly.
Me don't,
Yo,
me don't
Fiddly.
talk to you.
You hear Dalvin say? She and not anybody. When the ackee are done, it go nice, but they have a judgment. You see, it's on hot. You see, it's on hot like a judgment.
Don't talk to me, you know. Remember saying, me cook curry good. Me cook curry good for the first time and for the first time. You see all the ring. All the ring.
You're not gonna go. You're not gonna go.
All the ring. Come on, say my taste in a good that.
Make sure the service ring today too.
No, no ring. No, no,
You
sir.
never say service ring yet.
No, I never hear that.
Natasha, you never hear that neither?
Yeah.
Oh, I just want to know.
Would I hear that?
You never hear that for real?
No, I never hear that one day.
You
That supposed to be on
you
you.
better make sure the ring day night today.
Yeah, sure. So you want to taste the ring in there?
You know must. That you want this, man.
Oh, you can't laugh at it. Did. Get the back of the camera now. Natasha.
What do you mean by me the back of the camera now? When time me attack,
Oh, that move on me now hear nothing.
when me attack you have problem, when me stop talk you have problem. What is your problem, miss?
If you're talking, then I need to work with.
How will you say? Now you feel like say you be talk and me no feel have no come back. That is it. Right
No,
there.
you see when your mother talk, you know, we talk after your mother.
But you know my mother. Woulda never and coulda never.
When your mother talk,
If my mother
don't
ever
talk.
say anything when me not like, me I go answer. Me can tell you that. Me might not
You
disrespect
don't
her,
have for
but
the mother argument.
me I go
Yeah.
talk back.
You don't have for the mother argument.
Anything you said, right there. You say cut it right there, well cut it right there.
One go on a floor.
Yeah.
You know, need up the floor where you sitting where you're going to need the floor.
See the floor, yeah? I see it.
Yes, you're going to need it. Yes, you need it.
Right there, so. See?
So Rasta, you want a piece of chiffon butter and put it on the floor?
For what?
When you need it.
No, sir, fry. We are fry dumpling. We don't need chiffon. No. You think I
Fiddle.
wrote? You think I wrote here? Make?
So you ever say butter again and flour it and need it?
When I wrote here, make with that. No, tell it. Yo, give me a little one I lick rum cup and fill up water.
Rasta, I know about that one.
You don't know, you say no, in a rich level.
Tell every day.
Now watch the level where Rasta and reach. We still up on the level.
Oh.
Why?
Yeah?
Yo, I go to Rasta say every time. You not get none of it. Go to say. You see all the little pocket, Charlie? I back like me again, you know? Rasta not eat pork. I ball eat pork. Can't work over there. No time at all. What you say, Booba? No time at all.
Go like a real thing here. I love
What you
this
mean?
I said,
Eh?
Cherry coke sweetest.
Yeah, they must say about
Yes,
cherry
the
coke is
cherry
sweet.
coke is
You must say
sweet.
Korea say coke over
Yeah,
here.
Cherry said she never get a pocket.
Alright, I'm glad to hear that. That can't come a Rasta
I
yard.
used to believe say I eat it for real still in Rasta.
I eat that, them never want to talk, man. You tell me Rami, I eat that when I talk, I think I'm joking thing.
Yes, I agree. That's it.
Well, that's fun. Well, that's fun.
What do you mean?
Yeah, I'm in my own. I've known all the
Yo, bad one. Don't play me. You know, I'm taking a fire now.
I really have one.
Rasta need for
I really have one idea.
Ackee and saltfish and fried dumpling.
Yeah. Oh, you pop up in my place and you're gonna link me.
Because she said she has sieve out you, I know I'll call you. That she tell me that.
Listen, I'm not in general, I'm going to pop up so.
You know, yeah, cause this can look good.
Tell him good. Tell him good. Tell him silver.
Then you're coming on my tone.
I not tell him where
You
I
tell
want.
me say, yo, eh?
And show man, next time I have to do the right thing man.
Yeah, cause I tell her start to the street and run.
Yeah.
Street of food.
Sure?
Yeah,
I need
sir.
videos of the code.
Yeah.
Done.
A real thing man.
So you bring over my coat, huh?
No, you know, so I know country me I come from though.
Oh,
But tell me they go in our city.
yeah. Just a forward up, huh?
Yes, sir. Just me I go over there now, Mr. Brett.
So, we are get the journey now.
Yeah, yeah. You go do it?
What dumpling we can get?
What you can eat?
Yo, you know, it's a two ball game. Yo, you know, to mash up nothing from morning. You know, take on 15 though.
15?
No, I say
You
I
can have
fry,
15 out of that?
fry, no.
I
Fry.
Yeah?
Yeah. How we ask them, man?
So when you get 15 now, where is we get?
What can I give me 10 and share the rest here for you all, man?
Alright. 15.
You say I do that to Rasta.
That's why we can't catch it with fire.
Two of them you can catch.
You don't see nothing other one that we catch a one day, you know see?
You don't know if you start out that Rasta. Alright, so you go catch fire now.
Exactly.
Yeah, man, me. Alright. You see this?
Lighter there.
Yeah, man. I don't drop off this thing. No, let's just something to drop off.
Drop off that and come back.
Me I come.
Yeah man, come here there, you know. Yeah man, yeah.
Fire come to come.
One light Rasta white land fire time, light fire now, you know. I mean,
Alright, so.
straight fire Rasta say now. Burn down the Eden them in around us, you know. That's when they say fuel fire blaze, you know. A straight love we use with fuel fire. So fuel fire can't out. You see me how they
Have it still lit.
Have stay light. Straight love.
Which is right.
Which is right. We not deal with no violence, and we not deal with no hate, and we
Right.
not deal with no grudge, and we not deal with no bad mind.
You say that I put on the pot.
Put on the saltfish, huh?
You say, the good old saltfish.
Fire, take it. By the time fire don't take it, it get tender enough and
Good old saltfish.
fresh.
Hold them
A
now.
fresh fish. A fresh fish or saltfish.
No, it's salt, but by the time fire don't take it, get tender and fresh.
Hold them walk on now.
Even know if you adjust me hand.
I pour from out Rasta.
You wipe off your mouth.
Yeah, man, look, some black here then.
Make it stay upon there. We have pushed up on the bone of the camera, my girl.
Can't burn up the camera.
Let's say in a bucket of Dalby.
Okay, now.
Okay, you ready to put in a pot?
You don't know hurricane, you know? A breeze, you know.
You say right away in a pot, Dalby. Let's say any problem with Salvi.
Any problem? I would go in my pot, man.
Yes, sir. Curry saltfish.
Brother, I would go in my pot.
Are you man? Are you hide and do it? That's the one bag for that here.
Bag?
Yeah. You know the style and put the ackee in a bag and pour it. I know. First I put butter ackee.
I never that do. Anyone who get to have to take it.
You're mad. Remember you tell we say no. We are
Oh,
lick.
mad.
You
Mad
tell
which
man.
part? Your mother
So
go.
that'll be how this looks up.
That me I say I would put
Fiddly. You put turmeric in our
Oh,
pot.
brother, me I say I would curry in my pot.
Magician. Yeah.
That'll be season pot already and we never even see.
I'll put curry in the pot.
Nah man, no more you? Are you a cook?
So Fiddly, we never there. How much dumpling last us say, man?
That's what I'm saying, you want 15 at first and then you say with a second for 110.
Yeah. So he look serious?
Serious as a judge.
So that means we not get none then.
I tell him, I say, Lasco, look on the size I do. And tell me, look like about 10 alone will come out of that. And you really want the whole thing?
When you want to get this, you don't have to take it.
What do you mean?
It look nice, you know, only thing we just never want a curry in it.
I'll put curry in the pot.
Well, stay tuned.
That is it.
Say any Koreaki cook at we kick off the pot.
You want to see that?
Alright, cause we not eat no Koreaki, we not dealing Koreaki.
No more curry goat then.
No man, curry goat can't cook but no Koreaki. You ever see Koreaki cook yet?
Why you burn out the curry ackee, sir?
But I never eat Koreaki
So just
before.
can never eat in a meal.
I don't, yeah, I don't need it none at all.
I'm cooking.
No.
See a little bit more. I'm going to see a little bit, but you have to keep on. Have to breathe. That's why I'm looking for
Ackee try a joke thing.
Eh?
Ackee a joke Ackee.
I'm not joking. I'm going to
Yes, Empress, upper yard.
You say she go and go to Sita.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So you there for the final.
Yeah, man, let me not leave, man.
Yes.
So if you leave, bib.
Start
Bib.
to
You
finish, man.
say
Yeah,
after time
man.
bib.
See that, yeah, that full time go for my bib, man. I start to finish, man. One. Up there. Down there.
See there? Bubbling! Come look people. Ackee and Saltfish bubbling.
Let's smell the saltfish.
You're so smelly.
Wait for smell.
Oh, when that's when you da fry up.
What if it smell ring?
Rain.
Smell ring?
Up down that.
Yeah,
Yo. Oh, you know what I mean? Yo, and my sister in Dalvia run cut up the sheet. Run off the show today. We'll have cook some saltfish and ackee today and fried dumplings. So she had us quick movement
So that's
and
it.
got you.
Let me also sit there now. I work in a country cut up that. And a country there now?
Yo, right there, it's an heavy dull bridge. I usually don't cut them up.
Why not? Can't you not cut a little smaller? Yo, them are chop up like, how we are chop
A
up?
country chop is
Yo, and a country, and
a country there now,
Portland chop them,
Hey,
yeah?
a Kingston 8 there now.
Listen,
Kingston 9.
Kingston
Oh,
8
yeah,
is
yeah.
here. Today I go to a place to go buy a tire. And when they go on the program, I never want to say up here is Kingston.
Trick them a
8.
trick, yeah? You're
Kingston
at
9
9.
there.
And that me tell them say it's 9. And him tell them say a Kingston here.
You know which part Kingston yet? Eh?
Don't pan the flat.
Down in a gangster then city.
Alright,
Don't
tell them that.
Constant Spring Road in a grandstand them part.
Alright.
Now watch me.
Mr. Dalvia, angry bangle.
oh God.
What them say? When you look on your meat and you want man.
How can I say I think behind camera, Natasha?
I changed my mind.
You change your mind?
Yes.
God.
Earlier today. Going to go around on the road.
Mr. Rasta, reach back.
Yeah.
What go on this one?
What go on there, sir?
You want
Let my sister chop up the seed and pick and fast and she want it move a little faster.
That's
Alright.
the help you.
You want him help, Dalvy?
Okay,
The knife dull.
how
The
can I
knife
help
need
you again?
to, the knife need to sharpen that.
Wash your hand them.
See there?
That's I said a blade then on the use.
Sorry, man.
Chop the rasta.
By the way, one
Piece I can't eat, you know.
One tomato. Let me tell you about that piece.
Bust that not too.
One tomato.
Don't sharpen now.
Salt and
Try through. You better cut now. Alright, that's so easy I got through now. And while I couldn't have got
Yeah,
through.
fish dull fish.
You know if it's dull and while I
I start telling man to the blade then on the use.
And them picky green Ackee them, look there.
Can't believe this. The amount of open Ackee in a tree and see it up at the green Ackee them.
I know me, man.
So you could climb it friend there for me, Jesus Christ, my brother.
Look, catch it down and go up night tree. Immediately. Bother me. Watch it. The man they bother me because me have to put the jump.
Gosh, man.
I put it on me, I'm going to lap it up, G.
Back to me climbing the too long, you know? You climbing?
Yeah, up now it's reach already.
What you mean? Push you up against that sea. I don't know how to reach somewhere.
Yeah, see me, huh?
Yeah, me.
See me, Ackee, me go pick.
When go I go look at?
Ackee, see the first one, yeah? See the first one, yeah?
Where's the gun? It look like a curry pan.
Then you put it on there.
Which one put it on there?
I'll put it on there.
Like curry in my pot before.
No curry never in this pot before.
So yellow, so.
That more no.
So you see no curry, so? Look for my finger, then. Look.
No, can't
take. No curry pan, then take one.
The can be say and Ackee now make it look so yellow. You see, you know? Go on like gonna grow on me. Yeah? Go on like you grow on me, man.
Go on there. If you are going on there, so walk around here and come back around.
No, but you can't walk around me, so. Sorry, yeah?
Yeah, thing, man.
And then I'm not this take up, you know. Like that piece, alright.
Beacon.
Water reach.
And you cannot curry down there.
I get fresh.
No, bring no curry down here.
Alright.
No send no curry down here.
Me that test it still.
One at a time. But not today.
That's just so for the Portland and you can't get attack. Yeah, test it over Portland.
Oh, well, this you can't get an attack. Yeah. Anywhere me there.
Yeah.
And you know when you're Rasta. The fact never have to say a trial in there.
Yo, I think I do this.
Yo, you see the yo there, so?
You don't know, you don't understand this.
Yeah, she don't understand what I go on. Push up the fire.
Me this, you know?
Yo?
Push up his fire.
Push up the fire with this.
I you push up his fire.
I wouldn't push up all night.
Then push up with that night, then, no?
You give me now?
I know this I would.
That news.
So where I talk about partner out here then?
Yeah, partner out yet.
What do you mean partner out
You
here?
said I put that in there yet, that not yet.
Again, see it.
Me say that not yet, sis. What's it?
You don't understand
You
the
there?
cooking.
No,
You did not even.
See more the flavors, guys. See it in no man?
I am bandit man.
No, I am bandit. This has to always play. Yo, let's keep one there. You have to not this up there to dance it. I love us this. Love us this.
What is it?
Well, this, you know, play so Rasta play this, I keep on play it. You know, tell him, subscribe, up and running, for the one Martel TV. Don't tell him, sister, one love, straight Rasta say that, you know. You can shut one of the eye, lock another eye, and talking to you, and squeeze another eye, one love.
Man, you squeeze your eye and shut and you can't open back.
This what anytime, see there? Anytime.
Man, you hurt yourself.
Nah, hurt myself. What? You want to lick them up with a fish and kiss off. Or the cold one, lick them up. I want to make a man give. Let me assure you, one tomato can go in a saltfish.
How that was it?
Secret ingredients.
I will tell about it.
How it's secret ingredient?
Tell some my Rasta secret ingredient.
Yo,
Rasta secret ingredient.
Secret ingredients.
Tell him.
Alright,
See.
she don't want to tell you what.
You're not going to know.
The next secret ingredients are there.
Pimento?
Yeah, not there.
None of that, none of that. Martel, you're too pimento there.
But I'm going to ask you.
Up a yard of them, man. Good like gold.
Rider.
This is the again. One day I come back for eat at night. You see?
I started to see one
Peaceful.
Once I see a walking, I'll send a video of it.
Yeah, man, can work only for the after one.
You what?
A minute after you open.
A minute. And clad. Worse enough, we have something Charlie sign on it there. So you must walk me.
I can learn where I eat.
Yo,
It's alright,
that be a kill with oil today. A 3-time oil going on that, you know.
It's alright.
Yeah, 3-time oil, we say that we use, you know. 3 times we that we use oil today, you know.
But 3 times.
3 times we see oil pouring on that, you know.
Jessica, you're not going to tell me what's wrong with it today.
Tell me what's wrong with it, Dalvin.
Salt, man.
Salt? There's a you put the salt in there.
What not put salt? Salt, don't.
Jesus Christ, Dalvin.
Salt, man.
I see it ingredient, you know.
If I tell it, it's saltfish salt.
Nothing like that. And the secret ingredient where you put it.
Yeah, the man, no man.
Oscar.
Salt, man.
That's the secret ingredient, the man.
You call them fitness snack.
What? Martel.
If I Give you.
Watch out, let me see my pot, Dalby.
Oh, yeah, me. Straight.
So what going on, sir?
It's not going to come hard when you ask to have one.
Dumpling we are going to fry now.
Tell him.
They said dumpling time.
That way I go fry dumpling. You know.
Peter Park.
The two inside the floor, them are go small and only 3 teeth. 2 to eat.
2.5
Yeah,
Peter
stop.
Park man come with.
Yo, I first me say I 2.5 teeth for you know. All our history me I reckon.
And a 3/4.
And a 3/4. What? 2 and 3/4.
Watch out, Rasta. Watch out, Rasta.
Flan.
You see this a fork, yeah? You need to be a god, because one of them and say devil will stick you with it. You go ahead. 2 teeth fork there. That's what you better see a film 10 floor. No, 10 floor there, you know.
The class come up because last
No,
go
he's
did say
saying
my
I'll pick up.
con do it.
In car, I'm saying I'll pick up a child from the school.
Oh, today I no school here.
They wonder what I talk about, but we just give the benefit I doubt. Sunday school, man. Remember if past Sunday have Sunday school at church? Boy. Yes, him have Sunday school. So we just give the benefit.
Last go say, he go come make the dumpling, the money no come.
Huh?
Phone thing man, buy 2 of them. Yeah.
No, more than I want there.
Which one? Alright, no problem. You want to make our next one for you?
No, remember about one more. I must see what that will be.
Yeah, you only 16 weeks? Yeah, like that.
No, I'm not sure I can do this. You know say
You know, I don't know the round up something, them I not talk about. See them there?
No,
Oh, what is?
no, better.
Hey, me I thought that.
Me know man, fiddly. I try summertime she make marble.
I must play, I go play for the a river we are going to play them, man.
Marble, we don't make no more of them.
No, I make no one of them put in there. Last start, tell us you no want them there. No response soon on them.
Last go can get 10 of them for real.
Yeah.
For them, they shall go make.
One roll, me a roll.
Yeah, you're not running more
She
put in
roll
there.
last got 10, last got 10 them they shall make.
You're not running more put in there.
At 2 of this, man, so I put us roast for me animal load. I not put no more in there.
I say them dumpling, I know them are go tough, you know. Because Rasta put in the ingredients and feed in the flour. You know, put
I will I should have put in
baking powder.
there. No, you should have put the whole in
No,
there.
sir, I will like one quarter pound of baking powder can go in one
Quarter pound, you know what is quarter pound?
Of that a quarter pound.
Rasta, baking powder put in taste like, right?
Yeah, too much baking powder make it too taste, too strong.
Yeah. Yes, Rasta.
Quarter
Five
pound.
skills from speed.
One hand.
Martin, 5 skills from me I used to say.
And this Rasta say a quarter pound.
This was your quarter pound.
This?
This was your quarter pound.
Yeah, man.
That's
It's
a quarter
That
pound.
look like a 3 pound. You know what I'm watching there? Not true. That's why I make flour thin like roti.
Flash and out.
Yeah, no, flat. When they flat so, they're nicer. Less oil taking at them. When they fry them so, you can't manage them. It's a dry piece of flour left in the same. Link up now here and catch it and throw it out.
And don't look like them are go tough like Jakarta.
This one different one. This can't take out that way.
What them now? Hold on. Yeah, them custom.
You better lean it up.
You know people never see nothing like this. So them grandmother used to make
Yeah,
when
man.
you're a boy?
Flatters.
No, man. Yes, they never bring the recipe a cover.
Flatters.
Yo, you know, get to me and say, I said this to them nowhere near them thing there, brother.
What is it, Michael?
I try, no.
Try my try.
I two of them a try, Michael. Michael, I two of them a try.
So what on it?
One make the flatters and one make the marble.
So what on it? You a bad person will grow around. This is what you do?
This is what you really
This is what you really do?
Them a look like when them boil some flour and I fry them back on morning.
Brother, yo. Violation thing, but
A different brand and no violation still.
Everybody do them.
One and joke aside that.
Yeah.
Or you joke can still in here.
You know say a joke, man.
Differently still. Even though them are close to wait. Which one and them? What I two set of dumpling them. Which of them more look like
That's what I'm different, you know.
The flat
which
one
of them
them.
more look like?
Like what it's supposed to
Like
look
what?
like.
Yo, me I gotta tell you right now. Me done telling already, so to leave the thing till me forward. I'm not doing fool in here. Yo, I'm gonna take up this pound here.
None of them don't look like it.
Yo,
Where's that? None of them don't make one.
Come in.
None of them don't make one. What's this?
Bread and
Yo, Michael,
is
go buy
that?
Go buy your bread.
Michael, some don't leave, you know, Michael. Come make the next one now.
This one, but when we buy flour, nothing wrong with the flour. Catch people on.
Why?
Turn that one.
What is that? What,
Emma put salt in there.
what is this? No, nothing in that man. A madness quickly. A madness a what?
This sweet man.
Why?
Beer.
Then I have nothing over here this time around, don't?
Where?
Then I have nothing over here. It up? I break out teeth?
Conscious.
Oh my God.
That alone. Right plate then.
Why people? Conscious. Only thing,
Wall this and I catch Michael.
I'm fresh enough.
Go, come in.
Check out all going on here.
Check that new tune.
Can you see where I'm going right now? Me I just focus with my Ackee with mine.
I put them on there.
Nah,
See it, eh? It's a cornbread, my boy.
That's a Michael, you don't want none of them Johnny cake.
You see, really,
I get none.
let me test one of them, man.
You can't test
Let me
one.
test one of them.
Let me test one.
Which one you going to
test
test?
one.
Which one you choose?
Yo, the flat one. Yeah.
Alright.
Your taste,
Now
boss.
put it in a sandwich, man.
Then that even not get it, cover about the thing.
Until that so
That's
fast.
gonna be last one.
My taste is that ready.
Until that so fast.
I want to soft away.
I'll go piece of
Ready.
I'll go piece of last one.
Give my pizza.
Watch out, you mad. What are you mad? Watch out.
Why they come piece? Why they come piece? Why they come piece?
Give a little piece.
I'll piece of don't enough.
Give a little piece.
You want me?
Yeah.
That's because they want piece.
Give a piece.
Okay, give my piece.
Yeah, man.
I want piece.
Hey, man, ready?
Ready?
Ready for eat. Ready.
And the big one.
Yes,
then,
so
with that
what go on?
You see it?
Yeah.
Soft and nice.
Alright. Gone, we don't tell him nothing more. Tell him, them that thing we run. Now they can run up something like can't show the cover, please, and talk. The cover.
Alright.
Share something, Rasta.
What much you want?
One small one.
What are the little one?
Them want this dolphin.
Are you want this?
Come on with
Them want
the
this dolphin one to them.
Put him back in. Put in the ingredients them first. Put in all of the ingredients them first in the plate.
Alright.
Yeah, and then this coming last.
Good man, I hear one of them.
No problem.
Even half a year one.
Well, see it I won that one then. Squidly won that one then.
So you know for sure you can't share.
Where's that one?
Make some sharing ya.
Say my share of it? Are you nervous?
I don't know what
What am I doing about? Man, do something. I'm going with the instant.
Next time when I come on, I'll
I see things that made out there, but that knife you should have used.
Where knife it?
I see it. I never know so I'm not going to cut.
Yeah, no. Next time I have about 1.5 on the floor, because Mr. Boy, I feed enough, you know.
Alright.
That's why I cut them for.
You want one?
No, I don't want none. I can't mind so
No,
much.
put one of that. That gone so already. Who again?
Don't next this now.
Eat anyone, you know. There's no talk about eating, feed.
You say one of yo, Martin, you can't go take up one, you know?
No, I probably don't say it.
You press a long time, you say that.
No, sir, I probably not say.
Who tell him? Who in a rocker then? Ask him. Who know have to pray again? Not me.
You pray already, man. No, sir. No, sir. What you start about?
When?
You're in prayer, man. Give me start and we stop.
That's my one.
So you're not going away?
I want another plate when you come out.
The Rasta, man.
What I'm saying now, I'm just talking what I'm talking in my religion. The food is nice today. In the walkathon here and the switch live man one Martel TV. So that's what I'm saying. Yeah? Fried up.
Laugh.
What you mean? Don't have to laugh about the big one. We can't. We have to vex.
Alright, me alright.
What you mean? Don't have to pull a rhyme.
Probably a serious thing in the man. Yeah, man.
Alright, say full of prime. It's my one.
No, man. No work, sir. Put the joke aside, man.
Do your thing, man.
So I do my thing.
Yeah, man, do your thing.
Hey, I tell say no. Alright, I see you a prayer, I'm not going to say nothing and the food ready.
Before prayer, what you tell me, sir?
I tell you, say, the next time, again, we are do a collaboration. I wanna for pray.
I deal with it over Portland. I tell you, so I start write it already.
We start right already. Alright, we are give you a pass for today. Alright, so, as we gather here today, we ask the most righteous and eternal Father to bless each and every one of us that are gathered here today. Today is a very blessed day. We also ask that you bless this food, let this food be a food nourishment to our body. Bless our viewers, our subscribers, and just continue to grow the channel and help the channel to grow, and just continue to just motivate us and just help us to be a better person and can motivate others. Bless the food again in your precious name, Jesus Christ, I pray.
In Jesus' name. Amen.
Yeah.
One love.
Yeah,
No, close your eye, man. Nah, shut your eye. Hold on. Stick his hand back, Natasha.
Not so long. Go on, Rasta.
You know me gone too. You get it?
There's Ackee and Saltfish. Nice.
Where's the Edwin?
Edwin, oh yeah, say it nice. Say it taste it, Edwin.
Yeah, man, nice, man. Like, Ackee morning dumpling, though.
Yeah?
I like the Ackee.
You know, like dumpling for
Dumpling too flat, man. Most of Rasta man make them, man.
No, that's it. I'm rolling on your wall. You think I'm cooking dumpling this, huh?
Nah, so you're one of
Yes,
them.
it's a going with.
I'm going to you're one of them.
I'm gonna start
That's
tonight,
some
you
plate,
know.
man, right? It's a going with.
Alright, regardless. I'm gonna be fierce still, you know. Regardless, I'm me cookie Ackee still, you know.
Ackee sauce. Yo! Boom!
Ackee salt, but it can't go on still.
Alright.
Can't go on still.
It's a good thing when you put no salt in a dumpling.
You can't say Saltfish, you know.
Ackee salt, when I dumpling, but a little bit between there. Because I know where nice. Is that?
And if you don't bring it on,
Up and running.
Keep my ball out.
Alright.
you just have beg me.
No, me I beg you. I have to tell them where I'm going.
You know, relax,
I'm
man.
now relax and eat for me.
Dumpling is free, but it can't go on. You know.
You mean it now, dumpling in?
And that more I know. Why not
But
dumpling
I'm talking
eating?
to toast a month.
She don't get the right amount. That's why she tell you that. Because she get around 2 or 3 dozen a night, and right amount she get with you the Ackee. So that you don't know if you're dumpling.
Guess what I'm going with you now?
Yeah.
Me cook Ackee.
Yeah.
Where's the
What you
Edwin?
are going to?
Don't hurry him.
What you are going
Dumpling
to?
from the Ackee.
Hold on, no? Me cook Ackee, you know. Me be honest with the Ackee, you know. Be honest with the Ackee, you know.
Me honest with the flour too.
So when me I give my honest opinion on the flour, yeah, say different things.
Yeah, say flour. Could have gone to come out. All it want is more flour.
Where you want them?
All it want is more flour.
I want to up on the table, one.
All it want is what? More flour.
Yeah, right now.
No more, no salt.
Not more no sugar. All you want is more flour. Alright.
Come in, tell me what going on, sir.
Yes, do my one them.
Come to Martin.
Wait, no, man.
Come in.
See that? I time. See that? Time to start the show. No? I put the time as now. Yeah, I think it's saltpeter everybody I talk about first.
No, man, I'm going to the play and take a picture. You want that broad one?
Man.
Give me a
Water!
Hurry up!
No.
Sorry, mom.
It's salt now, but pressure go raise, but you know, so salt.
That's right.
You need salt for
I'm
take
going
your
to tell
salt.
V and Mrs. Start Paul more time
No,
and
boy.
Saltfish.
General.
Bring some water, come fast, man.
Fiddly, where Dalvid start at the beginning? When we taste fear, Ackee.
You're going to love this. She and anybody.
What you know?
Dalvid, guess the Ackee
I'm
up?
not saying that Dalvia, sir.
Put your sex salt on, man.
The fat man put one side.
Watch me, that's not good for your sex
No,
salt.
too much salt, no good for your sex organ.
That one a good
can't
one.
jump.
That one a good.
Still, you know.
That one a good.
You don't know sugar, I come down.
Where it tastes like.
You don't want Dalvia here, man. No, man, don't have I laugh, you know. Dalvia does not taste good overall. Why dumpling taste, by the way? Remember yours.
I'm telling you nothing different from how you done tell me, you know, when I get my water in advance.
Yeah, man, you know, I look a bit too salty, you know?
But apart from that,
Nice, man. Nice, I like it.
you said that'll be salt, the saltfish.
Why, I don't know how I'm going to put salt in there, why, you know?
Oh no,
I don't put salt in there.
no salt. Do not cook no saltfish.
Nice still, you know?
Can't do no like on doodle.
But, I look forward to curry ackee.
Oh, but it never work out.
Yeah, not chicken, but otherwise,
So what going for dumpling?
dumpling bad. Yeah, them bad, man. They used to the round on them more than them flat on them still.
Oh, but it still can. Yeah. Alright, boss.
Just you want anything you want to
I test the flatters. Combination style me I deal with today.
I don't eat too.
You alone eat too?
I don't eat too.
I tell you know what going on now still. But I'm not dumplings, a rubber.
Do the one that man.
Rasta want this. A rubber this.
Hey, man, I make Rasta big, you know.
Right, yes.
Gummy.
Look at that camera, bad man.
No, around us the camera there.
Yes,
Get me a 6 target.
Them flat dumpling enough to make again. This hard for tear.
Have to do one then.
I have to take time to talk Rasta with vex. This we are going to test now though.
You can't chat, man. Food nice on the bamboo road, that's on the man all lick them too. Eh? That's the food nice as good and lick your finger out there.
Just one thing, a little bit.
Hold on, man.
Extra.
Water, drink water, squid the salt.
Maggie have to sponsor Dalvik because she use up them product hard. She use it a little bit hard today, you know, but other than that,
Ready.
ready.
But Fiddly, big man, you know, I like that very like and salvage still.
Yes,
I swear.
This
It tastes
No, I
nice.
like it.
It tastes nice.
That big man thing. To me, that's when Ackee fresh, me not like it.
Make
No.
it spicy. Touch it.
That's why I say inner
But
salt to
Dalvik,
me.
I carry them as still,
Inner
I
salt
like
to
it.
me. Inner salt to me.
Yeah. A little salt.
I know me about to beat out the dumpling.
Inner salt to me.
One day we have to beat
Rich
up.
me rich, you know.
It's a rich?
Hold on.
Give me a whole lot for them. Give me a whole lot for them.
Dalvik bingo.
Watch out, a bingo, you know. As we say one day we have a bingo. But what a bigger bingo than this still. But a bingo you can't go off, you know. Where's the mat?
Yeah, that's a good one though.
Rich hard.
That's it. Yeah, man, so big up all viewers and subscribers again. Watching from near and far. Thank you all for watching this video up until this time. Yeah, man, remember subscribe to the channel. Click the bell to get notified whenever video drop. Yeah, man, big up again and bless up. That is it. One Martel Adventure TV, Rasta, Fiddly. You don't know Natasha, the behind the camera. What's your friend? What's your name?
Edwin.
Edwin. So what are
Three
we
is
out
gone
here?
now, I'm gonna 3 straight now gone now. 3 straight now, low gone 3.
So you take the next
This
one
man
next phone.
enjoy himself.
So when I go on with the phone, you know. Yes, you said nothing wrong with the dumpling there. Tell us what you right.
Salt, but they are mashed up though.
Why? This is true, they drink some jack and kind of balance out what the content.
Okay.
What you want, little
Get
more
where I
sauce?
say.
I just that in there, shot
That is it.
No, last cut again.
Time you unlock your mouth, you know.
We can't.
Try it again, try it
I
again.
say not gonna do it.
Hold on, we try it again. We try it again.
Yo, what? Give me
Hold on, I'll show you.
I
don't know what's up.
One lock more, man.
We try again.
Yo! Try again, darling.
No,
never this.
try again.
Never this.
Big up. Big up me, I say, I'm a DC program.
How are this?
One Dalvik on your man, big up yourself.
That is it, man.
Natasha, up and running, straight love.
One love,
One
one love,
love.
Rasta.
One love, what we say, straight right on the Martin TV. Straight.
Natasha.
Come on, tell the dancer, Natasha.
Why? It was a good day. It was a very, very good day. And still a good day.
They say love in the day.
Yeah, man, love in the day.